Yeah, Operator's a beast. I've been really impressed with how it can help step through some of these really nuanced engineering problems with some really good reasoning. And one of the examples I'll give is how I used Operator to create an inspection plan from a drawing. And so typically the way this process would go is without Operator, I would look at my finished drawing and then say, okay, I need to go figure out how to inspect this when the part comes in. So I would have to go down to my receiving inspection room or maybe pull a catalog from somewhere else and go line by line, feature by feature. What's the piece of equipment I need to grab? Does this have the right accuracy? Is this the right application? Now with Operator, I give it my equipment library. I say, can you look at my drawing and look at my equipment list and now go and propose an inspection plan and tell me your reasoning. It pretty seamlessly went through and put together a really well thought out inspection plan with minimal need for iteration. And then Operator's not just this one step chat. It took that and we progressed into the next step of the process, which is, okay, now what's the most optimized flow for this? How do I group my inspections so I'm not turning my part every time or jumping from equipment to equipment? Operator understood the context of how to group those together. And within a matter of minutes, it put together an optimized process flow that utilized all the inspections on one piece of equipment, jumped to the next and jumped to the next. So an exercise that maybe would take me multiple hours across a couple different days, it did in a matter of 10 minutes. And it was ready to go take a look at their team and get buy off. And so I think being able to understand some of the nuances behind what engineers are really looking for is a powerful way to just feed in data all right there with your drawings and engineering context all in the same space.